funXcees, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm back with yet another very beautiful DIY creative home decor idea, and this time I'm gonna make this beautiful flower vase with only two main ingredients, which are tissue paper and cardboard. So let's get started. And guys, I'm telling you all, I was getting so many requests to make a flower vase, so here I am making this. So as you can see, I've taken this cardboard and I just took a pencil and I drew this shape over here. Then I just cut it off, and over here I'll just apply some glue. Okay, so after applying my hot glue gun, I'll just stick it, and this is what it looks right now. This is the base. Now to give the round effect, I'll just take my scissors and cut this part, and I'll just use my fingers to fold them a little and then glue it together. Okay, so once this is done, now I'll just take a cardboard. It's a brown thick cardboard, and I'll just stick it over here on the bottom side just so it can fit inside. And this is the vase base now completed. Now I'll take a old headphone wire and I'll just cut it off, and then I'll stick it on the border and on the cap basically. So once you're done with that, I'll take a bowl, I'll put some glue in this, and then I'll put a little amount of water, and then I'll just take a brush and mix it well. So when it's nicely combined, you can see the consistency, it's very liquidy. And then I'll just start brushing the paste on the vase, and then I'll apply newspaper pieces and just go on doing the same thing throughout the vase, and I'll just cover it completely. And guys, if you don't have tissue paper over here, you can also use newspaper instead, but I suggest you to use tissue paper so that you get that nice texture, because it's very light in weight. Alright, so now once this is done, as you can see, it's nicely dried after 24 hours. And now what I'll do is that over here, I'll just take a cardboard piece and I'll just draw a flower over here. So you can go freehand design, or else you can also take cutout, or from the printer you can just take out a printout and you just have to cut it in a flower and a leaf shape. Okay, so after cutting it, I'll take my pencil and I'll just roll the petals and the leaves over here. Then I'll just use a pencil bag and just give this shape. So once it's done, this is what it looks right now. I've taken few more pieces of cardboard cutouts. Now let's start decorating the vase. So of course, I'll just picture a nice design in my head, and I'll start applying these flowers and leaves onto the vase. Now guys, again I'll take my piping bag and I'll make some mixture of talcum powder, glue and water, and I'll just start making some designs over here and some lines on the leaf and the flowers as well. So guys, you can watch in one of my previous videos where I've told you how to make this, basically in my first video, and you can go and check that out. You know how to make this paste. It's really easy, and after it gets dried it looks beautiful, so you can make it and decorate and design it on yourself. Okay, now give it a couple hours again just to get dried, and this is what the final product looked right now. So I'll just start painting the vase. So of course I'm going for the white piece, and I'll just paint this vase completely in a white color. Over here I'm taking acrylic paint. You can also use fabric paints instead. So after painting the vase completely, I'll just paint the leaves with green acrylic paint. So once the leaves are done, let's start painting the flower, and I'm going for this very beautiful crimson red color, and I'll just paint all the flowers with this color. Alright, so now let's start highlighting the flowers, and of course I'm using a lighter shade of red, and I'll just highlight the flowers where I've put that talcum paste, and I'll just paint that part, and also on the leaves I'll highlight them. And once that is done, let's paint the middle part of the sunflower, and that will be brown. So of course it's very nicely textured because of the talcum powder paste, and then I'll just highlight it with some yellow color as well. Okay guys, so this is now finally completed. This is my final vase guys, and it was really easy, and it didn't take much time also. It was very easy and very fast to make with only 2 main ingredients, and that too your best out of waste vase is completed. You can decorate it with flowers around any part of your house. So make sure you like this video and give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe.